Hi, Lola.
Hi, Lola.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy 80th birthday. Wish namin sa'yo, sana maging healthy ka palagi. Kakain ka ng madami at huwag mong pababayaan ang sarili mo.
And good.
Um,
Let's sing. Anya, let's sing.
Happy
Day.
birthday, Grandma. Happy birthday, Grandma.
Happy birthday, dear Grandma.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay. Oh, Anya. Hold this.
Ay.
Oh, you tell her.
I need to see you, Grandma.
We love you.
We love you.
We love you.
Happy birthday.
Lola, ipinararating din pala ng daddy at saka ng inay sa Pilipinas na happy birthday at mahal na mahal ka nila.
Bye.
Bye.